Decontamination of soil contaminated by petroleum products by Isokor PNDP system. Benefits of Isokor PNDP technology. Natural, health-safe, biodegradable system of decontamination. Shortens time needed for decontamination by 80 to 95%. Can be realized on spot by methods in situ and on situ. During process no dangerous waste is produced, no storage for dangerous waste is needed. No carcinogenic secondary products are produced during process. System is delivered as turnkey product. Isokor PNDP is physiochemical method of decontamination by degradation of hydrocarbon chains. It is active method of decontamination which is usable for liquid and solid forms of decontamination. System Isokor PNDP uses the latest knowledge of biotechnology, nanotechnology and quantum physics for safe, fast and economical elimination of oil pollutants. It is careful about keeping character of biotope as well. Usage of biodegradable system Isokor in soil causes degradation of hydrocarbon chains without environmental risks. Secondary products of decontamination are health-safe, improves quality of soil, sand, rocks or water and improves its ability to support life. Show of decontamination in situ and on situ, with usage of heavy equipment to apply biodegradable substances correctly. Decontamination is done by application of substances directly into soil, sand, water or other contaminated materials, where substances are left to react with pollutants. For better penetration of active substances to cause maximalized effect of carbohydrate chains degradation, mechanical extraction of soil is often used. In phase of extraction, active substances causing degradation of hydrocarbon chains are applied into deeper layers, and extracted material can be instantly returned to original position. After the application, contamination level is being evaluated during next 14 to 28 days. Depending on speed of carbohydrate chains degradation. Single cycle of decontamination takes up to 28 days. Cycles are being repeated till required values of degradation are achieved. On diagram you can see level of contamination of extracted sample before biodegradation process. It is contaminated by hydrocarbons with C14 to C28 chain length. On this diagram you can see outcomes of hydrocarbon chains degradation after first cycle of decontamination process measured with NEL-UI method, using gas chromatography and FID detection. This chart shows analysis of 3 soil samples with various levels of contaminant concentration during process of hydrocarbon chains degradation. Even in the first degradation cycle with duration of 25 days, level of degradation reaches up to 50%. After first cycle of decontamination, a comparison of chromatography record before and after first degradation cycle is performed. With a Isokor system you get simple, fast, effective solution of decontamination, without need of transport or storage of contaminants and without environmental risks, since the natural basis of all compounds and excellent level of biodegradability. Great advantage is system's adaptability to various conditions as terrestrial, aquatic or sea areas, dry desert area, wet floodplain, mountainous area, developed and permanently inhabited areas. Isokor PNDP can work also as emergency system for incidents such as oil disasters on sea, rivers, or on land.